Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Enter Sandman. While seemingly disparate, we will delve into their core characteristics, exploring how one is a robust software tool for data management and the other is an iconic musical composition. We'll examine their distinct functionalities, the audiences they serve, and their lasting impact on their respective domains. Get ready for an unconventional yet insightful comparison. When we look at core functionality, Excel excels at organizing and analyzing vast amounts of data, enabling users to create intricate spreadsheets and perform advanced calculations. It's a tool for precision and logic. In contrast, Enter Sandman functions as an auditory experience, crafted with guitars, drums, bass, and vocals to evoke emotion and tell a story through sound. One is for numbers, the other for notes. Considering their impact, Excel is an indispensable tool for millions worldwide, driving efficiency in countless industries from finance to scientific research. Its influence is measured in productivity gains and informed decisions. Enter Sandman, on the other hand, has left an indelible mark on music, selling over 1 million copies in the United States alone and becoming a staple anthem for rock fans globally. Its impact is felt in cultural resonance and emotional connection. Finally, let's consider their longevity and legacy. Excel has consistently adapted and remained a cornerstone of digital productivity for many decades, continually empowering users with new features. Its legacy is its foundational role in how we manage information. Enter Sandman has similarly endured, remaining a powerful and recognizable track that continues to captivate new generations of listeners, solidifying its place as a timeless heavy metal classic. Both have truly stood the test of time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.